Guys, starting off this video right here. It's raining outside. You know, let's see what you got.
I'm at 180.
Guys, by the way, whoever egged us, F off.
Dude, it's so slippery, like I'm not even joking.
Guys, it's seriously so raining. Oh, you can't tell. Here. Yeah, I'm not sure. But okay, guys, yeah, this is the video. I'm not sure if I'm gonna post it though. And haters, just screw the haters. Bro, what are you doing? What is he doing? What is this kid doing? Max, get over here. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, let's see where the video takes us.
Dude,
it's raining so right now. Ready? You guys got this water right here. Super cold. I gotta be quiet. I'm gonna dump it on my friend. Okay, I gotta be quiet. It's right there. He's passing the bottle, so he's literally psycho. Okay.
Yo, hurry up. We're gonna play football.
Yes! You're wrong, buddy. We're not playing no football. We run the streets. Alright, guys, good prank, you know. Daily upload. Let's get it. Alright, daily upload. Peace.